Promoting your vlog. When you create your new vlog and start to upload your videos, you must do more than just rely on the optimization tactics we discussed in the last video for search traffic. You need to tell the world about your new vlog. It is never a case of build it and they will come. You need to put in some continuous promotional effort to give your vlog every chance of developing a large following. Some vloggers wait until they have a number of videos on their vlog, such as 10 to 30, but our advice is to start promoting your blog as soon as your first video is up. If you don't have a huge social media following at the moment, then don't let that stop you. Some vloggers started off with social accounts of less than 50 followers, and now they are doing very well. The key is to be consistent. Tell everyone that you know. Make a list of all your family members, friends, work colleagues, past and present, and any other people that you know. Use Facebook, email, and any other means that you have to contact them and tell them about your new vlog. If you haven't spoken to some of these people in years, then write them a nice email and tell them that you miss them. Ask them to get in touch with you again if you want to do that. Then tell them that you have started a new vlog and that you would really appreciate their support. This is something that is so easy to do, but most people don't do it. Unless you have a very good reason for not telling the people you already know about your vlog, then tell them. It can be a lot of fun making contact with people you have not been in touch with for years. Ask them to spread the word to the people that they know too. Use Reddit. If you don't have a Reddit account, then sign up for one today. It is a very popular platform that is overlooked by most people. People create subreddits on the platform that are dedicated to specific subjects and niches. Not all of these are going to be a hit for you, but here are some good ones for new vloggers. R NewTubers, R Vlog, R Vlogs, R Vlogger, R Vlogging. Once you get your Reddit account, use it to comment on other people's accounts. Try to create an account that matches your vlog brand name. Be sure to follow the rules on Reddit, as you can get your account closed very quickly if they think you are spamming. Take a look at what others do in the subreddits mentioned above. Use Facebook. You cannot and mustn't ignore the biggest social media platform. Facebook is a great place for posting videos and getting people to share your content. Create a Facebook page around your vlog brand. It is really easy to do, and there are plenty of videos on YouTube to show you how to do this effectively. Add branded artwork to your Facebook page. Make it look really professional. Be sure to post other useful content on your page as well as your vlog videos. Become friends with other people on Facebook that are in your niche. Look for Facebook groups that you can join that are related to. Facebook has a good advertising service where you can specifically target your audience to drive traffic to your Facebook page. It's not just about getting likes to your page. Encourage people to share and leave comments as well. Use Twitter. Twitter is a huge social media platform that can be difficult to have success with. But it is worth making the effort because with a large Twitter following, you can really drive up subscriptions to your vlog. Again, don't just make tweets about your vlog videos. If this is all that you do, then people will stop responding to your tweets. Post some other useful tweets and retweet content from other Twitter users that is relevant to your vlog. Succeeding with Twitter, as with other social platforms, is all about reaching out to others. Follow people that you believe have an interest in your niche and reply to the tweets that they make and retweet them. Share their content as much as you can. Use Instagram. A lot of people shy away from Instagram because it can be tricky to gain a following there, but it is really worth persisting with, as you can get a lot of YouTube views from this platform. Instagram users like images as well as videos. So take an interesting screenshot from your vlog videos and post this, asking people to check it out. One thing you need to know about Instagram is that you can't link directly to your YouTube vlog from posts. They do not allow external links. So you need to set up a good bio in Instagram and link to your vlog from there. When you make a post, tell people that the link to your vlog is in your bio. It is always a good idea to tell people exactly what you want them to do. Use Quora. Quora.com is a forum where questions are asked on just about every topic under the sun. It has a huge user base and is often overlooked as a promotional tool for vloggers. It is also a great place to get inspiration for future videos for your vlog. Find questions that have a direct relation to videos on your vlog. Write an answer and then add something like, "For a more detailed answer to this question, please take a look at this video." If your video does a really good job answering the question, then it will receive a lot of upvotes, which means more and more Quora users will watch it. Make comments on videos posted by popular YouTubers. While it is true that there are a lot of morons that make stupid comments on most YouTube videos, you will have to deal with this yourself at some stage. There are actually a lot of genuine people that leave comments as well. Your job is to become one of these genuine people that leave sensible comments. Find other related videos in your niche and leave a positive comment about it. By becoming part of the conversation and adding value to other people's videos, there's a good chance that they will reciprocate by clicking on your username and checking out your channel. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get more video views and subscribers, so make sure that you do this. It is very important that you choose the videos of popular YouTubers that have some relation to your vlog. You don't have to just add constructive comments to popular videos either. Find other related high-quality videos that don't have as many views and add comments to those too. Don't use the spam approach here. Never ask the video poster to check out your channel and subscribe. Use the YT Talk Forum. Join the YT Talk Forum. It is a very active forum for the YouTube community, and there are people there with small and large channels. Start contributing to other people's posts and then use the forum as a feedback mechanism for your videos. People that post videos on YouTube tend to watch other people's videos as well, so this is a great place to find more viewers and subscribers. As always, look to add value with your posts and replies. Don't resort to any form of spam. Use empire.cred. Most vlog owners have never heard of empire.cred, let alone use it. When you sign up, you are awarded a stock value based on your social influence. You can post your vlog content here and persuade other influencers on the platform to check it out and engage with it. Other influencers on empire.cred can purchase stock in you if they like what you are doing. This will increase the amount of EVEs that you have, the digital currency used. You can use your EVEs to create specific tasks, such as requesting other influencers to view your latest video, etc. You are not allowed to ask for specific engagement activities such as sharing, commenting, or liking. Just leave it to the influencer to make their own decision on this. Influencers will earn EVEs from you for completing the task. If the influencers like your vlog, they will subscribe to your channel. Engage with all comments you receive. The best way to promote your vlog is to create a community. As you grow your community more and more, people will come back to your videos and share them, like them, and leave comments. You need to monitor comments on all of your videos and respond to them as fast as you can. People will really appreciate that you took the time to respond to their comments. You are proving that you are a real person and care about what they have to say. This will motivate them to subscribe if they haven't already done so, and keep an eye out for your future videos. Vlogging best practices. If you want your vlog to be successful, there are a few best practices that we highly recommend that you adopt. These best practices are followed by all successful vloggers, so you need to pay close attention here and follow them too. Always create high-quality videos. Always put your audience first. What are they looking for? What answers do they need to solve problems in their life? How can you make their life more exciting, and how can you entertain your audience? Never upload low-quality videos to your vlog because you feel under pressure to give your audience something. It is always about quality and not quantity. If you put out something low quality, then you will lose your audience. Just don't do this. Use good equipment and software to create your videos. You don't need the most expensive digital camera on the market, but you do need to create videos that are clear with good audio quality. Never use a poor quality microphone. Always be passionate and excited in your videos. If you are not passionate, how can you expect your audience to be? Consistency. Once you start putting out your high-quality videos, then your audience will want more and more from you. You need to be consistent and create videos to a schedule of some kind. If you leave it too long between one video and the next, you will lose people. You need to be patient with your vlog. Okay, some vlogs have taken off really quickly and make their owners a lot of money in record time. But this is the exception rather than the rule. Take your time and be patient and focus on being consistent with quality and posting schedules. Focus on getting more subscribers. Don't focus on money, focus on gaining new subscribers. Do everything you can to get the word out about your vlog. When the subscribers come, so will the money. Use social media extensively and try other methods to promote your vlog. Know what is working. YouTube has a lot of analytics to help you work out which of your videos are performing the best. So use this to discover what is working and what is not. Do more of what is working. Tweak things to make them better. Check your videos for the correct optimization. Free tools for growing your YouTube channel. There are some essential tools that you can use to grow your YouTube channel, and the good news is that they are all free. Most of them are easy to use and the benefits are pretty obvious. Let's take a look at some of the best free tools. TubeBuddy. The major benefit of using TubeBuddy is that it will save you a lot of time. It also provides you with some great pointers to really grow your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy is a browser app which works with the most commonly used browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. When you use TubeBuddy, you will find that it has dozens of useful features from checking the SEO optimization of your videos to helping you promote your channel. There are comprehensive training videos available that explain everything really well. You can literally save hours each week with this app. You can do a great deal with the free version of TubeBuddy, and we suggest that you start with this. If you want more features, then there is a Pro package available for $9 a month, a Star package for $19 a month, and a Legend package for $49 a month. YouTube Creator Studio. This is another free app which is great for checking the performance of your channel and videos on the go. You can use it on your iPhone by downloading it here and your Android phone by downloading here. You can't actually manage your videos with this app, but you can do everything else. It is great for finding out just how well your videos are performing, as well as look at the overall performance of your channel wherever you are. There is a filter feature where you can respond to comments and create that essential connection with your viewers. This alone makes the app worth installing on your smartphone. Buffer.com. We explained to you in the previous video that using social media to grow your YouTube channel and vlog is highly recommended. To help you share your videos on social media platforms, the Buffer app is a really great tool. With Buffer, you can schedule and post your content on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. There is one simple dashboard for managing everything. The free Buffer plan is for a maximum of 3 social accounts, and you can schedule 10 posts a month as a single user. If you have more than 3 social accounts or plan to make more than 10 posts a month, then there are premium plans you can go for starting at $15 a month. Whatever plan you choose, you will save a lot of time if you use Buffer to schedule your posts. There is a browser extension that you can use to post content automatically to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Audio Hero. It can be a real challenge to find great royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. Audio Hero makes finding great music and sound effects for your videos really easy. There's a huge library of more than 250,000 music clips and sound effects to choose from, so you should never have any difficulty finding what you want. Although the Audio Hero app is free, to use the soundtracks you will have to pay a small fee. This is a lot better than running the risk of infringing copyright and even having your videos removed. At the time of writing, you can purchase 50 downloads of royalty-free music clips or sound effects for only $9.99. Snappa. Creating your own graphics or finding a good and reliable graphic designer can be a real headache. You know that you need high-quality graphics to grow your YouTube channel, so what do? Just use Snappa, of course. There are a lot of pre-made templates you can use in Snappa. You can use Snappa easily to create your initial channel art, and then for really attractive video thumbnails as you upload your videos. It is really important that your thumbnails look great. This can literally mean the difference between somebody watching your video and someone else's. The free version has 5,000 templates, and you can create 5 graphics a month. If you want more, then plans start at $10 a month. Repost for Instagram. Repost for Instagram is another useful app for your iPhone and Android phone. Get the Android version here and the iPhone version here. We cannot recommend Instagram highly enough as a great social platform to promote your vlog. It has a huge user base that is growing all the time. When you have the Repost for Instagram app, you will be able to repost videos or images that your followers shared. You can actually include the username of the person that shared the content, highly recommended, so that they get credit and your followers can easily check them out. Optimizing your YouTube videos. Optimizing your videos properly is essential. When you are first starting out, this is really important as you need to do everything that you can to ensure that your videos come up in a YouTube search. It will also increase your chances of your videos ranking high in Google as well. It all starts with keyword research. You need to find out what people are likely to enter into the search box in YouTube to find your videos. The best way to do this is through keyword research. You can do this for free using the Google Keyword Planner. You will need to create a free Google AdWords account to access this tool. Let's say that you are creating a video about traveling to Japan. When you are in the Google Keyword Planner, enter the seed keyword Japan travel and then see what other keyword suggestions Google has to offer. You can download these suggestions in a CSV file, which you can open with most spreadsheet applications, such as Microsoft Excel. Go through the list and choose the best keywords. Look at the estimated search volumes. You want to come up with a list of around 10 keywords for each video. Decide which keyword will be your main keyword. Maybe this could be travel to Japan. Create a compelling title around your main keyword. You need to come up with an appealing title so that when people see your video in the search results, they will want to watch it. So, for our Japan example, you could use something like "Travel to Japan for fun and excitement." Make sure that you include your main keyword in the title. Don't just leave the title as "Travel to Japan." This will not inspire that many people to watch your video. Use other words to create excitement. Another approach may be "Travel to Japan. You won't believe what happened to me." This creates curiosity. Try writing a number of different titles with your keyword in them. Go for 10 different titles and then choose the best one. If you can get the keyword in at the beginning of the title, then that is preferable, but it doesn't matter that much. So just go wild here with your ideas. Remember that the more enticing you make your title, the more views you will get. Write a keyword-rich description. Some people like to read the description of a video before they watch it, so make this compelling as well. We recommend that your description is at least 300 words long and contains your secondary keywords that you found earlier. Tell people what the video is about, but don't give everything away. You can always say something like, "You won't believe what happened at the end of this video," or "I have a big surprise for you at the end of the video." Just use techniques to hook the viewer and encourage them to watch all the way through. Don't go crazy with keywords in the description. If you can't fit them in naturally, then don't add them. Use the right tags for your video. Only use keywords and tags that are related to your video. If your video is about traveling to Japan, then don't add unrelated keywords in, such as "how to speak Chinese." If someone is looking to learn Chinese and watches your video, they will be very unimpressed that there is nothing about learning Chinese in it. So choose about 5 related keywords, including your main keyword, and add these as tags. There is a 400-character limit on tags with YouTube at the time of writing. This doesn't mean that you have to use every last character. Be sure to speak your main keywords in the video. This one might surprise you. The thing is that technology has really advanced over the last few years, and YouTube can understand English and maybe other languages, so it will pick up on certain key phrases. Nobody knows just how accurate the YouTube system is for recognizing spoken keywords, but estimates suggest as high as 80%. This will continually improve, so it is really worth mentioning your main keyword and some secondary keywords in your video. Be sure to plan for this when creating your video script. Good video optimization doesn't take long. If you have spent a great deal of time creating a video script and a storyboard as we suggested, then it seems crazy not to spend a few minutes optimizing your videos so that they have the maximum chance of being found in a search. So use these video optimization tips every time. Don't skip the keyword research step, as this is the most important task. It will not take you long to uncover some good keywords. Even if you have a large following with your vlog, we would always recommend that you optimize each video.